because of time. How do you know a man that is God-fearing? Number two. The second way to know a God-fearing man, number two, to be God-fearing means to submit to the ways of God. Submission to the ways of God. Don't marry to a man that is not submissive to God's ways. There are men, what they submit to is their culture. He said, now we village, na Kabbalah, na so we they do. You know they ever tell you what thing God say, in a what thing they do na the village. Usai we come out, we the limba de, usai we come out, na so we blandua. Ah, we the mende de, usai we come out. Ah, what they talk woman for 30 months. Tell you what in Bible say, na usai them come out, na in abopa. No, that man is not subject to the ways of God. I love people that tells me what the word of God says, not what their paramount said. Some man believe in paramount chief past waiting Jesus talk. A man that is not submissive to God's way is not. It is being here now. It is being God-fearing that will make you never to raise your hand and hit your wife, even when she does something wrong. Lady, listen. What in they make man not ever beat you, man? Now where they afraid God. Any man when they afraid God, believe you me, they beat you with. You say, Pastor, hearts no get bone. Hearts no get bone. You know sabi the wire. The mots na machine gun. You know sabi the wire. All the like AK-47. Listen to me. It is the fear of God in a man that will cause him never to raise your hand upon your wife. Watch me. Even when they are doing what is not correct, mommy, there is a way you fear God. You know that if you touch your wife, you are touching yourself. Last night I was watching Satellite. I was not actually watching, I was listening. And there was a scene that came. There was a man that always beats the wife. Watch me. And one day this man was very much active in church. That's why I said to you, I'm not telling you say Christian. Some man can active in a church, but they misbehave now. Tell anybody say not to go. Mommy, some man very active in a church, but they misbehave bad one house. This guy was very active in church, but they beat him with. All day beat him with. One day, pastor go settle the conflict. You know what he tell the pastor? Pastor, this is family affairs. Family business must be solved by family. Now the pastor said, no, he said, I just want to ask you a question. The pastor gave him a scenario. He said, on my way coming, I met a man that was beating himself. He said, this man was slapping his own face. This man was hitting himself. And the man was like, that is a mad man. How can a sober man be slapping his own self? He said, that man is mad. And then the pastor said, you are the man. He said, pastors can't talk than they. You one day see how they slap myself. He said, you are the same one that is beating yourself. He said, how? He said, remember the Bible said the two shall be. Come on, talk to me. The two shall be. So if it is one, when you are beating your wife, who are you beating? Clap your hands together for Jesus. There are many men that do not fear God. It is when a man fears God that they will not hit you. They will not do any kind of thing to you. Watch me. Mommy, I have met men where if we do woman get belly, they kick and I belly. And they tell you the truth. Very abusive. They don't fear God. I've met men, mommy, watch me. Everybody pay attention. I've met men, even in public, it go disgrace woman. When afraid God, there are things they don't do. No, not telling me, say, Pastor, this is on training. There are many ways to treat a lady. Even when they are doing what is not correct. When you carry the fear of God in you, there are things you can't do to your wife. So if you want to be safe, help me tell a lady by your side. Say, if you want to be safe, say, look for a God-fearing man. Okay, tell him Pancreas. Say, if you know I'm falling, fair man with the afraid God. Sometimes you know you tell them for English, say if you don't want falling. Fan man with afraid of God. There are many men who are very abusive. They don't fear God, mommy. It takes the fear of God. I said this to the glory of God. Watch me. If I tell you how many years, that's why I keep saying it on the altar. If I tell you how much years I don't married me with, you feel saying a 1, you feel saying a 5, you feel saying a 7. I know one day yek me with, not on nako yek. You because I am conscious of the person that I am. How can I? What kind of example can I be to the people that are under me? Learn to look for a man that fears God. And listen to this lady. A man may not be wealthy, but if that man fear God, you will enjoy your marriage than to stay with a man that is rich but does not fear God. Mommy, some woman then are also get a condition, but believe me, in life they under stress. Mommy, some woman get motor way park, any side they go, then they go to. But inside they say, our kaya, no sabi. What I can do here, me I no sabi. Not all that glitters is gold. Look for a God-fearing man, and your marriage will last long. Clap for Jesus one more time. I will rush because of time. I will have to rush because of time. Number 2, I said to you ladies, the second thing you must look for in a man. Everybody, every lady, watch at me. Every lady, please just pay attention at me. Number 2, the second thing you must look for in a man before you marry the man. Look for a man that is able to submit to earthly authority. Look for a man that is submissive to earthly authority. Listen, no married man may say they afraid God, but he afraid no matter man. Do you listen? Now from the book of experience I they preach to you so. Any man when not get possible they afraid, no married. Some people like this, some man they sign on there for laying complain. Mommy, some man where he beats you, where say I don't go tell boys, go tell her what they do me. I don't want to say man like that. I don't go tell you pastor, I say you say pastor. If you call me safe. Mommy, them man then they not time bomb. Any man when not get possible they afraid. Sister, run for your life. Help me tell one lady, say run for your life. How person go day? Sir, how person go day? You not get possible they afraid. Listen, elect man gets nan. Elect man get problem. Mommy, if he get possible they afraid, there is hope for you. Because the day when he misbehave, you get side for one go. Where then go call him and make it right. But if the person not get out they afraid, what you go see you? You go cook, smell jollof. Look for a man that have earthly authority. Pastors, hear this now. Mommy, there are some of our members, even us as pastors, they don't fear us. They don't submit under us. A big overseer in this country, they tell me one time I go na house. He gets one in Pekin, where in a man in a church. The man was an elder in the church. The man in wife they make confusion one day. Now they the wife tell the man, when I go to church, I they go report you to that. He tell the man tell her, he said that daddy they feed me. He said if he call me, I name mass day. He said that the man big for the pastor. What the husband big for the pastor. He said that small body where they can call me for like go talk to her, for go talk to me. Now the pastor they explain to somebody to your wife. Mommy, the wife not able to be awake in church. He say, mommy, from that day, that pastor he had poor but the member. We get member then they were the under we not get one respect for the pastor. So imagine you married man when they respecting pastor. You go cry and go now watalo. Cry and go for mile. Let them go get gunpowder. Never marry a man that does not have any earthly figure to respect. There are people, mommy, when they call for me, I am shaking. I have my spiritual parents. Everybody listen to me. Anytime they call for me, look me wife. Mommy, anytime they call for me, even if it is good, when I sit on at the bench, before I enter, mommy, my foot go the nerve because inside me at the beginning, I say, why he call me? Why? Mommy, they begin repent from Nado before I enter. There must be someone that you give reverence to. But you go married man way in a Hulk Hogan. Anybody way carry the defeater. He not get no one way they afraid. Sisters, hear me. Don't accept a man with no earthly figure to correct him. Some of you watching at me, your guy come and drop you to church like I said. Go back and nobody is there to tell them this is not correct. Man, listen sir. Man wey truly like woman, mommy. If the woman they go towards God, if the father can go towards God. I give you example last week. You will be there. I get Boko of me picking and Ayasu. Watch me. They were never part of this church. It was their fiancé. Some of them are their wife. Them now them be part of the church. But because they have this sincerity for the wife, when the wife cannot go the osa, they follow the wife because they know the woman is taking me to the right place. Follow a man that can fear people. Jesus gave a story about a man. In fact, there was no name for him. Bible called him the unjust judge. Jesus said that there was a man that do not fear God, neither regard man. Imagine, you not afraid God, you not get respect for what a man. That kind of person that they wonder your life go left and your life go day. Never. Ladies, never. No matter how sincere that man claim to be, if that man not get person for respect, if that man not get somebody where they talk to him and listen, no say this person is not fit to be a husband. It's not fit to be a husband. It's not fit. No matter how I vex, mommy, no matter how hot I am, there are some people when they call on me, I have no choice but to break. We get people that will get strong guts. Watch me everybody. Mommy, we get some man who get strong guts. We don't team up now. Broke this church candle. In fact, mommy, some man we don't make a decision. You don't say I they team up. If they begin swear all them fearful swear. Like, mommy, you go every man they say, me. If I come out to start team up, so lay down with me, mama. Who's kind of almost like you don't meet man the way they behave so. Almost like you don't hear them sin and day. Me, if I change, let talk Chris man on street. So who do you feel safe or can talk to you? Some man not get nobody who feel safe go talk to her. And you go shock you, sir. I see don't talk and say na I dey team up. You know they come out today for nobody. Look for a man that can fear people, that have respect and reverence for people. One of the people that you must reverence is your pastor. A member that do not respect his or her pastor is a rebel. And unfortunately, there are many rebels in church. They are well dressed, but they are what? RUF. Then they're not church. You know all gone over. Now RUF. No matter what they do, they have a place, they have a decision that they have made, and they feel nobody can change it. Let me give you number 3. The third thing you must look for in a man. I want to rush because I have a few things to say for today. The third thing that you must look for in a man before you marry the man. Number 1, I said the man must be, everybody talk to me, the man must be God-fearing. Number 2, the man must submit to earthly authorities. Earthly authority. Before I go to number 3, mommy, I don't judge case. Pastor Isa, I don't judge case where the woman get problem with the man. Mommy, the woman go to him people. The woman in papa call the man. He say, if I can't, the la lucky. Now, in for the Lord, they talk to so. Not call me again, no. If I can't, I use la lucky first. Lucky, let me say, my mama no born me fine. Me, I can the one outside some lady go to them loaded in there. Who say you go pull this? Where they tell you, Papa, say if you go. And mommy, the bad thing, I think I share and then this year. This they go for you and a woman. You know what to make you for take them, who that you they say yes to? Some man where you they accept in your life, mommy, it they bring cost in your life. Because any man where you accept, where they disrespect you people, then they swear na pa you they go pa. Because now you the pikin, now you bring and can the family. Now big swear for you. For go to you not get nothing where you bring you people there. You mommy, you not get nothing where you go get. Bring can for you, mama. Now all they can cause her. You they see some man, the man not married you it they beat yeah. Some of you they make like say you innocent. Some of you your boyfriend they beat you before you, mama. If they slap you with mama like I say, if you not put your hand there. If they want the mama back, not put your hand there, lad deal with her. The mama all they afraid. The mama they afraid. I get one my daughter idea around. I'm not gonna mention your name. They come with one in friend, one time for prayer. And I they talk to the lady. The lady say a man a Muslim. Imagine the man they oversee, the man they America. Now America the man they meet up. They cancel he marry the lady. You sabi the man they will feel say because he do under in a Lord ho. Mommy the man they control and dominate the Peking to the point. Watch me, the Peking come out now, you know come on a strong family. So the also the man rent. Now the Peking in mama and the young Peking with them bonnie and the man at the dinner the house. Mommy say what the man in at one, what the man can don't come up, what he come up, I don't check. If they beat the Peking before mama tell mama guys, if the backhand way they give mama, the modeler way beats the Peking, tell the mama the guy, bye. Say me mama iki the flounder. I said the Allah no can die now. Let me they go first bar. Mommy the Peking they explain give me mommy are they bleeding at my heart. What a disrespectful in-law. Son-in-law the AC and mom daddy they give backhand to a modeler. Tell me whose kind blessing you go in that kind married day. Never marry a man, mommy, that do not respect earthly figure. Past God come up can talk to her before he at school. They are dangerous people to stay with. They are dangerous men to hang around. Until today, watch me, sir. Till today, that picking the one they talk to you, so in life miserable like waiting. Mommy, the lady in man they oversee, in life local pass the one the way the man they work in a garage. Nothing is working around her. Why? Because probably she accepted the man because the man come out to say America. He said the man come out overseas, say na JC. Son JC not to just come, son JC na John's close. Tell your neighbor, say son JC na John's close. You know the answer, tell her say na John's close, na John's close. So where you reach JC, not all na just come on. So now wait sir. So man go miss John's close if he say na just come. No. Number three. Look for a man that has passion for you, not love. The third way for look for a man, per man. Every lady watch me, put it down a little bit. No married man will tell you say love you. Almost, no, sincerely. You and a woman are almost by you don't pass 10 man who don't say I love you. Hey, be honest, so God day. Almost by you don't pass 10 man who say I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Mommy man quick for say I love you. Can I shock you? Listen, that's what you call love. Believe you me, it's not correct. Hey, listen, young lady. Man can even sit on in area that man, it is smoking jamba. Maybe I love you. It depends on the road. You say, wait, I love you. Mommy, man can they even do some man the way they take kush is still waiting. I love you. Drug addict self can tell you say love you. Pay attention. I don't want to delay. Don't marry a man that said he love you. Marry a man that has passion for you. Mommy, when man get passion for you, they go extra for make you happy. Look at me, mommy. When man, hey, listen, everybody, listen, young lady. When man get passion for woman, Mommy, in your examination money, if they take I give you, let you sit, don't you know sit? I don't know if you understand what I mean. Una they go sit exam, in the sit, you the sit, don't you not get money, you get. You the only also you waiting. You hand over. You say, let me be our next term. Passion. Listen up. Now this be the happy first term. Walk in the area, people they talk say, this woman, you don't do this man. I must like here, they talk then this you don't do sister, not to all man they do. When man get passion for woman, mommy, it they go extra for please you. If they do anything to make you happy, no married man where they go and pass say love you. But now not forget. The way some woman like that word, I love you. One day, one lady they preach on side. He said women are moved by what they hear. He said men are moved by what they see. Mommy, woman, woman, the weakness na there is. Tell you neighbor, say na there is. He said, oh my darling, you look so liquidated. Oh my God. He said, when I see you, he said, I feel like frying myself for you to eat. He said, really, you mean it? You mean it? You don't understand. When man wants you, they even tell you, say, the jump 10 better bridge for you. Mommy, believe you me, if they tell you, say, the jump put in the back. But can I shock you, mommy? How you they know say what he talking on me now? Probably, mommy, when you get a space in your life in less than 3 months, what you call her now, you know the pick you call yourself. The same person will be the claim say love you. Mommy, no married man will love you. Married man will get passion for you. How you don't know man will get passion for you? Watch me, sir. Even in the course of dating, watch how waiting they happen. I can tell you the last day. I hear people and they say some man crab it. This my crab it. This in a give my money. You know, meet up in my mind, meet it. Me crab it. In a give my money. This is money at for see. Wait where you meet up in rank. If they sell in sushi, what can be a foot go now? You don't understand. Tell you neighbor say you don't understand. Look for a man that have passion. Somebody say passion. Come on, somebody say passion, passion. Come on, say it now. Say passion. Look for a man who get passion. When I married my wife, pastor, some 11 o'clock net, everybody pay attention. 11 o'clock net, so my wife get belly. Now we know someone who get belly, then get some kind desire for it. I don't know say in the puller. Pastor, 11 o'clock net, now my wife can feel for it watermelon. If you see me in the streets, they go and look for watermelon. I say, what are they gonna say? Hey, Papa God, would that do me so? Would that do me? Would that do me? I don't go and find watermelon 11 o'clock. Watermelon 11 o'clock net. Mommy, are they even afraid for camp because I cannot get her? They say go back. I don't go to and find 11 o'clock net. Mommy, when a man has passion for a lady, they can even take risk for your life. But you are just following men that claim they love you. A man can tell you they love you with their mouth, but they don't mean it in their hearts. Love is an action word. One of the way you know true love is when passion follows it. Passion must follow. If you love me truly like you say, it will be seen by your actions. We will know if you love a lady by your actions. I can advise me picking in a church. Any man will say like you want you, Esther. He can't find it today. He say, oh my God. He say, when I see you, I don't want to lose sight of you. Oh, when I see you, oh my God, I feel like collapsing. Mommy, why do I explain down? He left you go na you, not give you nothing. The other day back in the car, he said, oh my beautiful angel, as I see you from afar, I can see the heavens open over my life. Mommy, why don't done? He left you go back, not give you nothing. The third day, as he can't, so he begin slap on my face like go before. No say this, you know, see this in head no day. Now they eat. I feel like seeing heaven. Now they eat every day. And I feel like where there is true love, we follow by passion. There will always be sacrifice. Clap for Jesus, somebody. So what did I say? Number 3. Look for a man that has what? Come on, talk to me. Look for a man that has what? passion for you. Passion. Passion for your wife that will make a man stick to the wife. Listen. Now passion they make man, not the cheating woman. Everybody pay attention. Young lady, pay attention. I advise you. You see that thing what you call beauty. Let me say it in Creole. That thing what you call fine. That thing what you call beauty. People then they will get and pass you. Hey, if now no more you feel say you don't convince you man with mommy, if they meet up the whole fine pass you go lay daughter. Now passion, watch me. Now passion they make, even though the man meet woman they will fine pass you woman. The passion we get for your wife, they make it stick to your wife. The consciousness say, this is my wife, I must stay with her. Yes, I know there are other women, the way they speak grammar pass me with. But this passion is what makes a man to stick to only your wife. Now passion. You feel saying a beauty, you feel saying a fine, you feel saying a intelligence. Let me ask you, you feel saying a sabi dress. That dress where you the dress where if you say sabi, you prefect the dinner do. You know you're fine. He says it's a big catwalk. The one that they teach you, they do. He says it's a big catwalk. He says, mommy, he says it's a big, you know where you don't make the bobby. It's send and gear one. Where they walk around at skits like that, Ebola motoka. We. Say look at the car. The one day when you teach her, then they don't do. It is passion. Hear this now, Mr. C. It is passion that makes you to even see women that looks beautiful, if not more than your wife, yet you choose not to cheat on your wife. I can see some woman, if you say not threatening, they make man not cheat. You know Sabi man. I showed you last week. Some woman so much they threaten man. If they work and treat safe. The man turned for looks and said, hey, put it now outside the watch. Like watch a woman. Watch me. Man no need for watch for see. Woman they go so man here they so boy they see. You know Sabi man. Say you know Sabi man safe. In the first demand, mommy when the man want turn the head so you feel like for hey man they watch you they can see be anything back up. They watch it they are now you hear Akbar say na so in ID. Mommy, listen to this. Not threatening man for let is stable. Pay attention. Listen. Look for man who get passion for you. Even if you meet woman who get better shape than you, they will still be faithful to you. Yes. I hear some woman they say, pastor, then they know they. A man then they know they. They're still they. There are men that have so much passion for their wife that even though they meet beautiful things around, they choose to say, no, this is what God has given to me. I am going to stay with it. Passion. Find man will get passion for you. Find man where you not there and they feel confused. One day somebody said something to me. If you are writing, write it down. Somebody make a statement to me. I'll let you write it. I'll let you write this down. The person said, don't marry a man that you will live with. Or don't marry a woman that you will live with. He said, but rather marry a woman that you can't live without. No married man where you able to live with. Or woman where you able to live with. Married person where you cannot live without. You know, say this person, if you're not there is no life. Now in the songwriter mean will be the express to God. There is no me without you. 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 There is no me. There is no me without you. There is no me without you. No me. There is no me without you. There is no me without you. No me. There is no me without you. There is no me without you. Three more times. No me. There is no me without you. There is no me without you. There is no me, no me, no me without you. There is no me without you. One more time we say, there is no me without you. There is no me without you. There is a way, mommy, you they have so much passion for your wife. You didn't know being said this one minus Sam, there is no life. Yesterday I was at the corner, and then my wife they pass. Adura I kite my before me. I say, you are you this one, so I like you with all the trick the way you get. Anyone are the good one, the bad one, the ugly one. Tell his neighbor, say the good, the bad, and the ugly. Say that's what I want her. Listen, don't just accept people for their good. Listen, in every good person there is a bad thing. Accept the person holistically for what he be. You know, to make marriages get a problem, we just expect just the good. Some lady feels so disappointed. He say, that not be no sense. I saw it. Sister, if you genuinely like the man, you accept the good, the bad, and the ugly. Believe that this is my package. If I get way for improve the woman, la improve him. If I get way for improve the man, la improve him. But la not drop him because there is something in him that I don't like. It means you don't have passion for the person. How we day? That's why I like him. I always tell you in the church. When I say tea, no day inside me with no leg. Then pack. But can I shock you? There is no other life that she ever have again in this world except with me. There is no life again no myself gets in this world except with her. So it's a choice that you make to stick and to stay with the person, because this is what heaven has given to you. See your spouse as a blessing, not a burden. See you person like blessing. Some people and they see his spouse like burden. In fact, mommy, you don't meet some man where they make play about in wealth. But I'm not blaming. Now I encourage you. Now I encourage the wife who marry. Now you say you encourage. What a shock. What a pity. For tell somebody that is your wife or your husband, say you encourage them. May God have mercy upon the church. Passion is a resolve in you that you don't need any other. Listen, ladies, listen to this before they give me what I out tonight. There are 4 sets of people. Anytime you remember whether they are around you for money, pray fine. Listen, 4 kind man then at this world. If they say they want you, go 7 days dry fast. I repeat, 4 kind man then they. If they are around you, say they want married you. Lady, watch me. If that kind man they are attracted to you, sister, if you they pray 1 hour, make an 7 hour. No say you pray a point, don't add. Like you them quick. Number 1, man of God. Number 1, a who? Why picking on no danger. If I walk small, call and ginger. I'm up, you call and ginger. Say ginger tinale. Picking on no danger. Listen, when a man of God say wants you, sister, if you be they pray 1 hour, begin pray 7 hours. You know what you do? Pay attention, mommy. We are surrounded by people. Mommy, when you married pastor, sometimes then you not get time for you all day they will church. Now you will like body, so you the gladdy say a man of God that are married. You the way you like body. If you get away, the man for putting away they go work. They go so with you. Mommy, these 4 sets of people, sir, when you are attracted by them, you need to pray. Because listen now, there are people, mommy, that will always be surrounded by many ladies. Number 1, a man of God. Look at an example of my church. Sir, this church we are, 70 to 75% are ladies. But the 70 to 75%, mommy, but the 70, in reach 20% were married. All the rest are single. It takes a sober-headed man to stay focused. Now you the glad for married pastor because of entitled. You go learn. If I tell you the prayer point, so I don't put me with man. Sunday I can then in my room, me wife and they pray. Now me at then they kill Boku. Then get one group where they form married women network. Then one day they get prayer points there. When they pray against strange woman, I say, fire will kill some people tonight. Yeah. Again prayer points where God not be here. If they pass fine, it not be get them prayer point. And I say, now me want. Now in the hard fine prayer point now. When making they sleep now. Father! Anyone watching at my husband, I say, now you fend out for yourself. Now you know what you can do. Now you know how you manage pass me away. If you don't go marry one market, if you not be for prayer, but when you say a man of God, they can't do. You prayer points they increase. Sir, pay attention. The second set of people then are politicians. Listen, sir. When you marry a politician, you now your church just join the intercessory team. If you be the choir, just come on. They say, "Yeah, when you want to do the intercessory, let all can join the." Sir, when you marry a politician, it is dangerous and risky. You know why? Pay attention, mommy. Watch me. When you marry a politician, member said the man they meet up with them class high pass you. I don't know if you understand what I mean. If they meet up people, mommy, where then status pass you far. Mommy, it takes the grace of God for that man to stay with you. You then house as housewife, as waiting wife. Don't the woman come out in a treat, he meets the one the way they write up yonder. For let that man not involve, sister na prayer. Tell you never say na prayer. We'll get picking there. Then where you say you want, then the first way they ask, what do you do? The Salomon and then now, Mr. Sisi, where you under? Not so you face them, they watch you. Oh, be small. You know, woman they want man. Now you look like. Say no, this is nose too big. No answer. Say this is no. What do we get more late? Tell you neighbor say na first. Now the one the way they elect the ace not the. What's the pocket correct? Mama, the woman the way they elect you na cripple the worker so. What's the waiting? When the pocket correct say dear brother, Kala go na altar. That foot is not in my problem. The balance with the manager. When you married politician, mommy na stress. Na beaucoup prayer. Yes? Because I shock you now. Check most politicians in this country. Most of the movement and activity, they're not even the go the wave. Almost by you know saying that's why they talk. Check most politicians. Most of their activities, sir. When then they go on their business, the wave left now. Then they left, say, they go Egypt. From there they pass Nairobi. Panda Egypt and Nairobi, if you tell you where I go with. Where is some my entourage heavy? No left they do they agree. And one case. So number 2, politician. When you marry to a politician, mommy, you must learn to pray well. Or before you marry to a politician, you must learn to pray well. Number 3, the third set of people where you should be very mindful of, I call them high-profile businessmen. High-profile businessmen. People that were a high-profile businessman there. Sister, not just married person, because they tell you for the kind small brother. What's make you marry that? You don't say na super brother. When you married high-profile businessman, if you do wealth, you need grace and mercy. You need God to help you to be stable. And finally, number 4, the fourth people that way you need for. Be careful, young lady. Pay attention. Pay attention. Number 4, the number 4 kind of person where say want you. Come meet me for slap purified. Lecturer. He said, "I come at the point by say, now we the so now. Now bang, now. Not there. Sister, listen. Why you when lecturer say want you? Just only hear and say, oh show, James so. Enough for you for married lecturer. Mommy, check what's in the happen in our country now. Watch me. Everybody pay attention. I'm going to be sincere. Some of what they tell you, so you know the area also. Listen, daddy. You don't make it risky for married lecturer. Mommy, 60% of would begin as if they college. Then believe saying that their service to the lecturer them for make them promote. Mommy, the picking and now that they come out university, if you for construct one sentence properly, no sabi. Then I for tell you say na in Bobby, na ingi and A. Listen, if you inside church here, tell you never say inside church here. Able not afraid, say inside church here. Beaucoup of me wonder when they inside church here. When don't cross university, you sleep with lecturer before you come out. Yes. Believe you me. No, tell you never say if you want you not come next week. Advise and say if you not come next week, now you pastor be the talk to. So my heart to the woman now. Say why for talking under? Who the talker? Tell you never say who the talker. In fact, sir, you know what's in the happy now, sir? Mr. Lapia, some of the lecturer at the mommy, when he aim you, they tell you now you face, say if you can't feed me now, you they repeat that module. Almost by you know say they happy now college. If they watch you bang now you face, he say you, if you not come visit me now just know say you not get for promote. I get one my daughter in a church, I'm not gonna mention your name. If they hear what they can't talk this now. Pay attention. I get one my daughter in a church. His son, where they from college, Mr. Perry. Brilliant boy from year one, mommy. He they beat all man at campus. He go final year. Mommy from qualifying year, third year for go final year. Now they ain't one picking at the form, then go meet up, then fall in love. Mommy, when they go final year, behold the dean of the faculty where they put your eye on this picking. The picking said, no, sir. He said, I'm already into a relationship I don't want. Mommy, the guy investigates, say, now he knows that the boy, now he make the picking say no one time. Mommy, one day the man called the boy in the office. He said, because you did behind this picking and for you no want me. He said, you go there 4 years in a final year. The Baba take 4 years in a final year. He failed and 3 consecutive making 4. Now he make it graduate. Because he keep woman. Where the woman say no wants the lecturer. Now this country, 1990 they happen. So you wouldn't now, so when a lecturer and I in the BAU, go they follow an office. You don't look for work again. Just tell and say, I'm going to only bag. Employ yourself. Tell anybody, say employ yourself one time. You not find work again, just they be now. Say now you not in PA. When a lecturer claims say want you, watch me. Almost by you don't cross through university, just wave your hand. Just wave. No sincere, just wave. If you don't cross through university. Listen, put your hand down, sir. Almost by you and a lady, sincerely, you don't get this kind of attack from lecturer. Lecturer, they force you. Say you if you want me, you if you deal with me, you. Yes. God will help us in Jesus' name. Clap for Jesus, somebody. Clap for Jesus. Let's not delay with that again. And the number 4, the 4th way for look pampa man. Yes to her. Number 4. Are you ready for it? Young lady, you ready for your receive him? The first number 1 way for look pampa man before you say yes to him. The man must be what? Number 2, look for a man that is able to submit to waiting. Number 3, look for a man that has, that has, say it loud, that has passion for you and not love. And number 4, take this, never marry a man who is irresponsible. Never marry an irresponsible man. There are many tongue-talking irresponsible men. How did I call them, sir? Tongue-talking irresponsible men. Mommy, if the old mic gra gra gra, igugugu yaragaga, like a tiger, but they are not responsible. I'm going to show you the definition of irresponsibility. Irresponsibility is not having a job. No. Listen now. Listen carefully. Many brothers are irresponsible, even though they are spiritual. To be responsible, what does it mean? Number one, to be responsible means to be aware of life's journey, not to walk. Responsibility and the consciousness say, I am in this world for a particular reason, and if I must accomplish that reason, I need to be serious. That's a responsibility. Not so that some man they listen now. What go shock you? Pay attention, sir. We get papa there whether they pay 5 million and above now their workplace, but they're not responsible. Almost by you know say they're in this country. You know, almost by you know say they're in this country. Papa there whether they pay boku money, but in picking self in paying school fee. What a worker they talk about so. To be responsible means you are aware of the journey where you come. Number two, to be responsible means to have an agenda for your life. Responsible men, they have agenda. They don't live like we kite court. Apasia, no way, no way. Apasia, no way, no way. Apasia, no way, no way. They go in fair way. No agenda. No agenda for their life, no. To be responsible, number three, simply means to have a vision and pursue it. Have a vision for your life and pursue your vision. That's why when I started SS, I said to you to be responsible is not having a job. Me wife not say yes to me while they work. Pay attention, everybody. I like for share my story because now my story I know but I not talk about person. Sir, me wife say yes to me. Now 5,000 euros now get in my pocket. I know they forget that day. The day I proposed to me wife, say I'm married, I no get bank account. The only thing we call me name now 5 grand. So I call 1,000. Look fine I use. 5 what is sir? 5 grand. Now in everything in my life, that was when that I am going to marry you. You know the first story ask me, that they say you the puller. I say they ask me. Me and they married you. She said yes to me and watch me, sir. And those days, pay attention, are aware there were other suitors, other people then they show up, where they go to in pastor for go show interest. For me, when physically speaking, humanly speaking, they were looking far better off than me. With 5,000 in my pockets. Mommy, she was able to glance through us. She was able to look at all of us, and yet she can see the future in me, even though nobody not be seeing for me. Now I can tell people, let's say, there are some people the way they don't risk their life for you. You know, finally you joke with them. Some of you now when you married, now in court fits you. That with this. Then this year. Me papa no say come out. He go count me marriage picture. Boku one day I see count the case. All na my marriage picture there. He can't give me. Mommy wa open now. If you see me neck, I feel bad pojo. Sabi pojo no so do you say. Watch me sir. Mommy I begin I scatter the picture on my table. I begin watch one. Now I say me wife don't try. So now this kind of time you be married. If now then 10 days I believe that they can go for corona. Mommy, me na the first man, like I can tell you now. I marry my wife, ma. Pay attention. I marry my wife, I could not carry her. If you see me lanky, I need for ask the best man, they let them support me. Now we fall, now we carry. One hold the foot. If me one girl like at the hair, are they for? I'm not able. Stamina not day. If you see what FIBA number 1. But listen to what I am saying. She saw me in that state. Even though there was nothing, mommy, but she was able to detect the future. She knew that even though there is nothing today, but this kind of man with a vision, this kind of man with this ability, in 5 years, he will be somebody great in life. Clap for Jesus, somebody. See, they say married not in a church, married not day. You know to make married not day? The woman they will get na microwave woman there. The woman they wait there now, Mr. Koroma, na ready made. The woman they wait there now na Noreska. Na right now. Tell you say right now. Mama, the woman they take promise so say I get future. They say now they wait for. But yeah, give me what the pass. Woman they look for man who get future again. Now the one they wait the future don't begin now. Now present. Send him say present. First step, woman they look at you, sir. They say, no, this guy has future. Mama, the one they look for future. Now present. If you know they present, they don't want you. Look for a man who gets vision and they pursue vision. Sir, even after I married my wife, pay attention. I'm not ashamed for talking at church. 3 years complete, now they feed me. 3 years. Me na pastor, na church na ya. Mommy, I just start church. Guess what happened? The hour start church, me offering that 38,000, 41,000. Imagine 38,000, 41,000. What did they do 38,000? And she was working. Can I shock you, mommy? 3 years complete. She was the one bringing her salary, and we are feeding on it, living as a family. And nobody knew about it except after I begin for talker. If na some woman believe me, the one whole world go no say, now in the feed the man. Now watch how they make so. They ain't coach the nami buyer. So woman draya yo. So woman get bad trick. It go make you look like fish before people there. He say, hey, like what person they glad for you? Hey, Sale, for the power. I see body they find. They say, and if you know the load way been made, see we person not know self and now you go explain now. You go tell all man now, but no say this nothing a cow. This not nothing in life na me. It go make you look like a chicken. Nobody ever knew. So the former church, I can tell you now. So the former building under sir, when them pay me worth every month, now in salary they buy sand by trip. Mommy pa with 38,000, 42,000 offering. Now they will get for buy cement. We begin beat block. Now every month, now they put her inside. Time come, me worth the work, me worth the sell. You know them barrel thing they carry it, then silver cent, then Victoria's Secret, Imperial leather, all of those things that they use. Then chefs them. Watch me. Mommy, when they count time for me worth, where they go work? Mommy, now me they taught the Ghana must go. Me the pastor. Say your neighbor, say na papa. You need to talk and say na papa. Sir, the papa now me they taught the Ghana must go. Are they Bienna? Where they go na your office? I know they forget one thing, sir. Would they come go cross? I taught the bag. Now that me tell me begin, daddy. Now I say, what's daddy? They go sell. What's so daddy 10 this? Man, they go to the market. He say, daddy. Whoa, rich in a church, you go call me daddy. Here, and a business term. No can call me daddy with market in a made. Mommy, I was never ashamed. Watch me. I was never ashamed to carry the business because I was aware that we they survive through the business. We get some men, they are so prideful that they can never support their wife. In fact, some man they feel threatened at in wealth, in success. They afraid. They say, hey, better just know you go make for me. Village mindset. Village mindset. This if you better, you can't shake for me. This way gets just you go change for me. Now afraid God. Nobody knew about it. To my offering, pay attention, sir. To my offering, to my transportation to come to church, I was basically living by her. Can I shock you? It was for a while. As I speak now, it not even need for work again. All in labor, where they labor, it is a time now to reap from the labor. Clap for Jesus for that. But today, pay attention, sir. The microwave women, when you show up, there must be evidence in your life. What do I mean, mommy? When you tell and say you want her, the next thing, where you carry it. You want to know the kind of to carry it. If not keke, if not taxi, if not RAV4 on a Range Rover Sport. They want to know the class of vehicle where you get before they can accept you in their life. Mommy, as a lady, pay attention before I say final thing now. As a lady, learn forget an insight of who that man go become if you were in a rich date. Listen, as a lady, one grace way for pray for. You for able to see man when not get nothing now, but you're gonna say this you get future. We all know what's happening at this country, mommy. When the Ogaman they become some lady drop a relationship for Nigeria, man. No, am I saying the truth here? Mommy, some lady relationship where you don't struggle with her. For one Ogama we come. When the Ogaman get and two belle, now you go back Nigeria, I left her. Mommy, now they pass with the bikini, they don't get inferior the supporter. We get a lot of ungrateful people. We get people that say, watch me. We get lady them. It go there relationship, mommy is strong. The relationship get future. You go see somebody come over, she can say one time. He go close the person in relationship and jump there. Say because he has to look get better. Patience now not they again per relationship. People want things now instantly. They want instant evidence. Look for a man with vision. Write hand down. Write this down. Look for a man with vision rather than a man with television. Look for a man with vision rather than a man with television. Before you find man will get television, but you not get vision. Find the one will get vision, but you not get television. The one will get vision, mommy will not get television. Give a small time. The kind television, the way they produce, you self not go believe. But the one will not get television, but he get vision. Okay, sorry, the one will not get vision, but he get television. Wait. How you gonna see any pay the blow for television there? You go follow a man because he gets woman them big guy. Are they Brookfields? I link to me papa one day. Are they wrap up soon? Maybe I will keep what I have today for another time. At the Brookfields, I link na veranda. Everybody pay attention, sir. One young pikin in Frobe College. Me people learn about Brookfields since I don't want to mention the name. Mommy, I hear and they explain to a company. Say, hey, if I tell you what happened to me today, he said today why they go class at Simap na Bright Street. He said, "Now you can park." He said, "I don't know, sir, I made the man they wait for." He said, "What go near?" He said, "I'm surprised." Now the man they tell me, say, "Where are you going? Where are you going?" Now tell us, "I they go up campus for because." He said, "Enter, let me drop you." He said, He said, "What enter?" He said, "What jam the domot?" He said, "The breeze will blow me first. The breeze will blow me." He said, "Sufferness not fine. Sufferness not fine." Now they explain so air condition inside motorcar. Mommy, guess Nala done this story for you. He said by the time the man would reach up from a college, now the man give me complimentary. He said, let me call him after class. He said, "My sister, after class, as I call the man, 30 minutes, he don't come pick me. He asked me if we need food. He said, now pass na Basha. We go buy food. Now go na house." He said, "My sister, if you see boy picking us," he said, "Call catch me." Say, "Hey, Papa God." Mommy, when you meet up, we get me fearful mortal man there. He said, "If you see boy picking us," he said, "What will reach?" Watch me, Sam. He said, "What will reach?" He said, "The food will carry it." Now I ask me, he said, "Can I microwave it?" Now I say yes. He said, "If you see the microwave, I know one day see and I'm alive." He said, "Not to that, now they use now special microwave." He said, "Well, finish. Watch me, sir. No finish, we eat. What don't eat done?" He said, "Well, what they watch about?" He said, the man no animate self, I don't want her. You know animate self, I don't want her. You know animate self. Hey, some people learn deliverance. Now 700 pastor now for doing. Papa God. 700 pastor now for do some people learn deliverance. Cut long story short, listen to what's happening now. By the time you don't explain done, he said, "Well done." He said, "When the guy can hear me, the guy they come for can sit down near me." He said, "When they can, so my body they rise. My body they rise." He said, "And imagine," he said, "Well done." Now they will make love. He said, "I want no more." He said, "To me surprise, where they go? Where can drop me? Now give me $100. He said, "My sister, new one. New one." Watch what's happening now. You know, if you know how they listen, mommy, as he talk about the $100, now I call her, say, "You come here." Now I say, "Sir," I say, "Come here." Now I can sit down. I say, "What a shame to women." So it's not like they watch me. I say, "You are a disgrace to women. A man that just met you in the morning, and gave you complimentary, pick you up in the afternoon, go to the house, sleep with the man, and the man gave you $100, and you are explaining it with fun, which means your prize is, mommy, by the time I don't preach, I don't. Now you take the money, daddy, I don't want, and I say you go eat her. This you the pick her, you eat her. Hey, daddy, no, and I say you the eat her, pick her, go bang na noreska, go buy more chicken, go change and bang, let eat. Bell full, eat all, drink all the drink. Can I shock you, mommy? I never follow up that story, but I can assure you, believe you me, sir, man of God, from that day, such men will never place value on those kind of a lady. Not sober man, they place value per woman, where they earn you na money, sleep with you afternoon. Yeah. We get woman in our church, the way they get sorry at. The way they get sorry at. Real NGO, sir. Local and international NGO. Then quick for donate. Man meets you in the morning by 10. Pay attention, sir. And that very day the man sleep with you. Can I shock you, mommy? That man can never make your life a priority. You have become a waste product to that man. And some of you, after the therapy, now when you see the man back, you they cack the waist, you they bluff. You feel bad cheese. You feel bad cheese. He they bluff back. When you see the man say, mommy, he they bluff back. He say, this guy no say he don't get fun. This guy no say he feel good with me. You know sabi man. Listen to me, young lady, at the wrap up now. Any tiwe man get cheap, you know the value. I want let you listen. Say amen, woman. If you not lady, say amen. Any tiwe man no struggle forget. Mommy, elect how important that thing they be. That man they place value on that thing they. Mommy, men, they elect until when they suffer, forget. You as you friend man, so what the man taught you? Hey, boy, left me, boy. Now I make an elect for Kana, yeah. The man taught that he say, where the man taught that the last one, oh, the last one. Now your last one from 3 years ago. 30 days, now the last one. Anything I can't tell you, now the last one. Now I make now they are the answer. Now I make now when they say married no day. My sister, watch. I talk them on Monday. Nancy, let's be frank, sir. Watch me, sir. See what they get free. What you make her for pay for her? No, if now you born me, you go advise me so. No, you be me, mama. If now you pick you born, see where they get free. You they say for buyer. You the advise a labor. You know they talk eh? No make mumu pa me oh. Any tiwe man they get free. Why for pay for answer? He say married no day. The man not married it. Watch me, sir. The man not married. He they sleep. Where he don't sleep with you, don't. I talk on the last day. So woman then by weekend. When they go to man weekend, then they cook 5 soup. 1 for Monday, 1 for Tuesday, 1 for Wednesday, 1 for Thursday, 1 for Friday. Mommy, when book back the best bread, this not for Tuesday, this not for Wednesday, this not for. They pack by days. And you they feel say, you they prove to the man say you're not decent woman. Mommy, na then thing and then I for make man married woman. But if he don't married you, they get all of them thing and they waiting for married you for now. Though after you don't cook, you don't brook. The way the man come back, he say lay down. Comfortable one you lay down. Though you say that the man go get that for married you. Me if na me, I go tell her go buy land. If that man they come to me for advice for you, and they said you are one land in a regent. Let go talk price. You go better. The thing will make man them be the married trade Bobby. Now the thing then now then they get free. The thing will make man they run now after woman. Then they run. Mommy, watch me, sir. Joseph. When man come out to work, he pull in sus. He say in sus smell. The sock smell. He pull in gin. Mommy, he say in gin dirty. You know, man not like that thing and they for book I they strain. For this they suffer. Mommy, now that thing they make it, they think I say minus. You see you scatter. Grace. You see all side chaka chaka. In the one, but you, if I were to go say left the king at the mouth. Left on at the mouth. Tell you neighbor, say you not good Samaritan. Left on at the mouth. Don't the man go? Don't you go where the man don't go, mommy? You can't pack all thing. You do everything. You make all thing fine. I not tell you say bad. Me concern is if you do all that before married, after married, waiting the other part waiting you do. Waiting more you do. So you know what they happen now, mommy? Because men have all of those comforts, they don't have eagerness for marriage again. They not get mago per married again. Because the two they make papa they rush for married. Now then they get out of marriage. Clap your hands together for Jesus. Because of time, I am going to end here tonight, this afternoon. Ladies, don't marry a man that lacks this four quality. If a man is not God-fearing, don't marry that man. If a man is not submissive to earthly authority, don't marry that man. If a man does not have passion for you, and yet the man claims he loves you, don't marry that man. If a man is not responsible, my sister, don't marry that man. Look for a man that is not just rich, but responsible. Don't marry a man that will not make effort to push life forward. Don't marry a man that is not an initiator to make things work. The man does not have any academic stand. The man does not have no skill land. Don't marry that man. Not tell me, say God reveal unto me. Mommy, we get man there where the man left for go walk. He left na house they play draft. Yes. When the woman left for go walk, Sir Victor, in the left na house, in the play draft. You are the give 5 seed. You well. Mommy, now I go there pa explain to watch me. The WEF come out na office. What in the WEF carry it? Listen to me. Such men can never make your life better. We get man the mommy. All waiting depend upon now waiting the WEF they carry it. Now waiting the woman they raise. Don't marry such people. Look for men who are responsible. They might not be rich. Watch me. But you see them in their eyes that they are trying to make ends meet. They might not have a casa. They might not get motor car. But you know, say this man, with this kind of determination we get, this man gets future. I share with you now we can church Monday. I get one my son. He they married now so January. He woman where they married now other church he come out. When we go to the pastor first, we'll go the pastor they ask us question. When you see the man, where the man you know say this is a man who get future. A man that has master's degree, he not get work now. Guarantee he don't already equip himself. He might not have a job now, mommy, but give that man small time. The man where you look like a non-entity will end up becoming a general manager one day. But not married man, mommy, whilst you they make efforts for go before, all waiting in the do, now for reverse you can be in. All waiting in the do, we get man, pay attention, sir. We get man, when the woman in drag, in try for make money, when the woman give, now the money in the take, he go give other baby there. Yes. We get wicked men, mommy. Now the woman in money way gear. Now they give the girlfriend. Let it buy top up. The money, mommy, where the woman they labor for. Now they take. He dress them fearful dress for attract the baby there. Marry a responsible man. Marry a man that you know a time will come. The two of you come together. There is a great future for you. I am going to wrap up with this. When a man is looking for a wife to marry, listen to this. When a man is looking for a wife to marry, a man is not just interested in your beauty. Listen to this. When a man is looking for a wife to marry, a man must not only be looking at your beauty. Listen, it takes beauty to attract a man, but it takes character to keep a marriage. I repeat, it takes beauty to attract a man, but it takes character to keep a marriage. To maintain a marriage, sir, it goes beyond your face. Say, I get fine face, I get fine shape. I had wanted to use the story. I am trusting God. I will use the story of the skits to show you the two different people, the way they talk about. Remember, the queen that was the first queen called Vashti. Vashti. Do you know the problem with Vashti? Sir, I was reading that story overnight till this morning. You know what God said to me? The 4 things where Vashti lacked, mommy, is fearful. Mommy, number 1, Vashti was very disrespectful. Very, very disrespectful. How did I know? The king called for her. She said she's not coming. Imagine the man, we get and them, sir. When the man tell us something, he like it one do I need do again. For proof to and say, I want you and say, enough for command me. What a disrespectful wife. Number 2, Vashti was very insensitive. How insensitive? Imagine not the king go tell her. Bible said it was the 7 chamberlains that were sent to Vashti to bring her before everybody. And before the chamberlain, the one there where the man respect. Now before them, now disrespect him, man. Sir, we get them. We're ready for molest you. And they molest you on a 2 day. In the way to say crowd day. He believes that we molest you before crowd. They show say it tough. They show say nah baby we tough. We see get my behave so to the par. Imagine Bible said she disrespected the king before everybody. And let me give you this now. You know what to make Esther then choose Esther? Almost for you watch the skit just now. Almost for you watch the skit. You notice one thing but the other virgins. You know what they were coming with? They were coming with swagger. They were coming with their breast. Am I talking to somebody? They were coming with their boom, 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 boom. You know, they were on their shaker. You know, they were depending on their add value. Tell your neighbor, say add value. So woman be they depend on add value. It they depend on boom. But watch, you saw something about Esther. Hey, where you gonna host? Go read Esther chapter 1 and chapter 2. Mommy, when Bible explain how Esther did, now today make one married Esther. Now today, now make no regret. Watch me. Now today make no regret one married Esther, my sister. The thing that way Esther possess, mommy, number 1, Esther was a virgin. You know, it's in her virginity, purity. Woman, not how you face. How pure is your life? How clean? I used to tell you, say some women in cotton. Some man who wear cotton, some man who wear cotton, you don't rotten. Not how you close. For can photo shoot. For can selfie. It's now they look for. You know, see that I almost cost the king. And my parents are rich. My parents are rich. I know my power. My parents are rich. My parents are rich. Sir, before you married woman, when parents they rich, but you get bad trick. Go marry the whole common village, but you give colat. Esther was pure. Somebody say pure. Tell you never say you for be pure. Able not afraid. Tell her say try for be pure. Tell her back for me. Say try for be pure. Number 2, Esther was God fearing. Pastor, you know God showed me today in the scripture. When you read Esther chapter 2 verse 7, do you know that Esther was an orphan? Esther, in mama, in papa, they all don't die. Mommy, pa always he don't lost in parents there. He still keeping life. You know what I get to the revelation, mommy? Where you see where some people like in they live, you say now because they suffer. Now lie, now you want live bad. Not tell me say now we person in order for help you, make you they sleep with all man. Now habits, now so you one day. Esther now orphan. But she was still a virgin. Who that they were they suffer rich orphan? So tell you better we angry catch you, they go meet you mama. So tell you want pay school for you, they call you papa. Mommy, Esther not get papa, he not get mama. In fact, now uncle take her for men. Yet, she was a virgin. She was God fearing. He afraid God. Tell you never say Esther they afraid God. Tell them back, say Esther they afraid God. No mother, no father, but yet she has the fear of God. No mother, no father, but yet She feared God. Number 3, Esther was content. Say content. I don't know they don't so. I one more gets for you. Esther was content. Woman, they were not content, not a good wife. Give me verse 15. Same verse 15 of chapter 2. Mommy, you know what the Bible say? When time reach for let all man go before the king. Watch me. Time reach for let all man before the king. Mommy, all man they request what he wants. Bible say, but as for Esther, she said, only the one way they give me. Now I want. Mommy will get woman they will meal a bad one. Watch out. He said, now when the turn of Esther, the daughter of Abihail, the uncle of Mordecai, who had taken her for his daughter, was come to go in unto the king, she required nothing but what Igai, the king's chamberlain, the keeper of the women, appointed. She requests for nothing. Mommy, he not ask for nothing. He said, the only thing I need, anything you wanna give me. Now they will, I go before thee. In we days now, we get so much fashionized women, but no character. She required nothing, contentment. When we small, Pastor Isa, there is a phrase we repeat in our school. They say godliness with contentment is what? Is great gain. Godliness with contentment. Isaac, she requests for nothing. She said the only thing I need is the one they will give to me. I will go with it. It take we get contentment for behave that way. You know, they look for show off. We get a lot of people they will na attire now you are used for convince men. Men no longer just for attire. They look for character. She was content. She was content. I'm going to pray this 4 prayer for women today. There are many discontent women. Many discontent women. Look me, young lady. Everybody is head up. Is head up. So woman there, you know to make man left her, he don't request from the man, say the man don't run away. Now that's what they tell you, sir. Pay attention, mommy. Man, anytime it's a woman, all day they ask, all day I say, they allow run for me like, hey, do I want to give me mama? Now I want done in 1 week. Inside 1 week, they don't marry the two. Inside 1 week, the kind problem the way they to line. Monday, uncle sick. Tuesday, mama for travel. Wednesday, then TV phone. Thursday in school fee, not pay it. By the time they go Saturday, the man say me another again, and they go before. So much discontent, requesting all the time. Listen, this now leakage to you and a woman. Pay attention, pay attention. One thing when man they study per woman, especially when it just meet you. Now watch me. One thing when man they study per woman, especially when it just meet you. Now how much request you make for things? Woman we want, man they always scared you. Elect the man get and forgive you. No make a habit now. All the time. Mommy so woman anytime he call man now for ask. I tell you the last time say woman they for let you know woman then day. One lady, pay attention. One lady in no get credit na phone. Pay attention. Now he take him padding phone. He call the man. Let him man send for an credit. Mommy now the man send 200,000 credits na the lady phone. Now in order to say, now he flash the man with your phone. When the man see the flash, now the man return the call. He say I flash you for la you call me. La tell you say the credit don't come. You flash for let me call you. For let you tell me. The credit don't come on phone. No. But you not use them for call the man. What you do answer? He flash her for let the man call her. For tell the man say the credit don't come. Sister, so for me 200,000 credits. You not gonna use 30 seconds set for me. Imagine and watch me, sir. Such women are them Bokuna church. Now them Bokuna church. If you know the man they think for married, but he asks the courts. Because the one that say, hey, this not a problem. They can't tap and so, eh? Not a problem. You today, where the man not be there, you go there to 1 year style. At least for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you manage her. Now, because you don't meet up man where they work in a bank, you don't tell and say, you every 3 days if you change your style. Every 3 days. Me, that's why I don't use lie. That's why I don't use. That's why I don't use every 3 days. I for change me style. You know, Sabi man, contentment is one of the things that men are looking for. If a man do not see contentment, they will be scared of having you as a wife. And the fourth character and final one where Esther, she was spiritual. Spiritual. Tell your neighbor, say spiritual. Ask a lady by your side. Ask her for me. Say, are you spiritual? Ask her, find back. Say, my sister, you spiritual being? Say, on a church no more you can. I don't like that. Ask him. Say, are you really spiritual? Say, on a church no more you can. She was spiritual. Esther was a spiritual woman. Spirituality attracts the presence of God. And the presence of God will give favor to your life. Verse 15 of Esther 2. Bible said, she was favored by all the people that took care of her. All the people that took care of her, Esther found favor in their sight. Mommy, there is a way you the spiritual, you the lack God. When people see you, you might not be related to them, but the sooner they see you, they just like you. There is a way you face. There is a way you face, they radiate the glory of God. Even strange men will look at you and just favor you. You not sabi them, but when you are God-fearing, you are spiritual. She attracted favor. All the women, look at the last part. Look at the last part. It says, and Esther obtained favor in the sight of all them that looked upon her. All, mommy, anybody will see her in a favor her. Because she was a God-fearing woman. Because she was a spiritual lady. Not to any kind of person. Are you spiritual? Or you are just coming to church? Are you spiritual? Or you are just looking for marriage? Are you spiritual? Ladies, hear me. Do you want your husband to favor you? Increase your spirituality. And favor will follow. All women who are married, say amen. You want let your man favor you? Increase your spirituality. And favor the follow. He said, me man, he not attracted to me. Me man, he never watch me. Me man, he never diss me. Sister, increase your fire. Increase your fire. There is a way your fire increase. Listen to me, Pastor. Fire attracts. Almost by say any way fire there, you don't need for call person. What's it happen? Any way fire there, all man there. All man, fire, fire. Fire, all man they go for go watch. Mommy, fire and the way they attract. You want to let your man attracted to you. Increase your fire. You fire 2 days down, now make the man not they see you. So woman go past 7 times before the man they watch herself. He go, so woman he left the leg there. He pass. In fact, the man they say they can't they come out, they go down to Ibrahim. And they go down to Ibrahim. You know what you do, sir? Because he feels in a way he wear the short thing. Now in there, my sister, increase your fire. When your spirituality increase, you attract favor from people. Listen, me wait him up now. When my spirituality increase, there are people the way I know one day meets them in life. From one meets them, if I tell you some of the things they get from them, I don't beg them to give me. I don't ask them to give me. Mommy, there is a way your fire increase. Watch me. When people they give you, then they count themselves even privileged for even give you. But you demand even chop money, say demand they grumble for left. Because pray or you need pray now. If you want you ask scatter your head, the man name member than they safe. Because waiting for member for, waiting for take. Then they say somebody count things there. Basically, that be the person can too. The person come out talking. Count things and say, Daddy, I get anything there for sale. I think 2 shirts no matter take. I tell the 2 shirts now ask, Wait till you go home and see there. Now you say the neighbor quit the dog. Sabi woman and I sell you one sell. Now you go to all the one there with the under the motor car. If you see the one that now way, listen now, 95% of the money will pay for the things then. I mean, wife now take the things then. And can I shock you, sir? She was not even there when the person came to me. Now me and the person, there is a way you the spiritual, even bear you back, they remember you. But you like you see though, what you put your there? If you put your under, then they begin warn you. If like you sit on now, like when the person taking out for himself, don't the wife say that they are telling if you lay under, if I kick you under, you cannot be remembered when you are not spiritual. And can I shock you? Listen, and this is just coincidence. The time when the person there with me, sir, they show watch. My wife was inside the church praying. They say, they pray, rakada. Now pray, they pray. Me they up, me one na my office. I say, okay, out to do my own day. And by the time he come home, if I tell you how many suits, how many things he collects, there is a way you increase your spiritual fire. People you meet, they will favor you. Rise on your feet.
Because men don't understand. How far you men don't understand. Because men may not understand. Men may not understand. How far you brought me. Men may not understand. Because men may not understand. Men may not understand. Oh, how far you brought me. Oh, they may not understand. Oh, Jesus, for Meganaya, I worship you today. Jesus, for Meganaya, oh, I bow before your throne. Jesus, oh Meganaya, I worship you today. Jesus, oh Meganaya, oh, one more time. Sing Jesus, Jesus, oh Meganaya, I worship you today. Jesus, oh Meganaya, I bow before your throne.
We are going to pray these 4 prayers and we are done in 1 minute. We are going to start from the tail end. Oh God, make me a spiritual woman.
Yes, Lord.
Hey, watch me. Sister, me I not say you fine, but pray let God make you spiritual. There are still beautiful women where they suffer na maridos today. Listen, Daddy, we get women they will not find better, but they enjoy married past the one we find. I not say you fine, pray them prayer. God, make me a spiritual woman.
Yes, Lord.
Even if you're a man, pray that prayer. Lift up your right hand and say, my God, my Father.
My God, my Father.
As I receive your word today.
As I receive your word
Lord,
today. Lord,
as a woman, I need to be spiritual.
Make me to be spiritual.
Father, increase my fire.
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 Increase my
Make
fire.
me a spiritual woman. Make me a spiritual man. Lift up your voice and pray that prayer. Make me a spiritual woman. Make me a spiritual woman. Make me spiritual woman. Make me a spiritual woman. Make me a spiritual woman.
Make me, Lord.
Thank you, Father. In Jesus' name we pray.
Amen.
Number 2, we are going to pray. I said to you the third characteristic that Esther possesses was contentment.
Contentment.
Oh God, make me content.
Yes, Lord.
Take away discontent for me. Pull me for me. Make me content.
Pull me for me.
Put it down. If it for you man, you need for pray that prayer day. Now me make some man don't get problem at workplace so today. I get a friend when I will all be there Brookfield, slack claim up here, everybody see me. Daddy me I one story about this young man. He they do well. Listen, mommy na tiling he they do. He sabi work bad one. He sabi tile like waiting. Watch me sir. Young man, he sabi tile. The contract that they get, mommy. Because of this content, he gets contract and one woman in place. The woman get the money for the tile, 150 million. I want to say they go overseas. Watch what happen. He reach na Guinea, puts the money on the program and duper. How for come back salon? Then they wait for her. Discontent na make Bokuman don't end pan trouble. Like say overseen heaven. When man then they back where they suffer. As I they talk, man, mommy, this guy they suffer like waiting. So on 10 days, watch me, sir. If they WhatsApp me one time, I say, how comes? Watch me. He say, Pastor, the worst thing I don't ever do in my life now, this kind of madness. There is no peace for me, no place like home. I want to return home. How fucker? Oh God, give me contentment.
Yes, Lord.
Help me to be a content man, content woman.
Yes,
Are you
Lord.
ready to pray that prayer?
Yes, sir.
Say, my God, my Father.
My God, my Father.
Say, as I pray today,
As I pray today,
Lord,
Lord,
give me the spirit of
give me
contentment.
the spirit of contentment.
Papa God,
Papa God,
take away me
take away me
from my life.
life.
Lift up your voice and pray that prayer. Give me the spirit of contentment. Give me the spirit of contentment. Give me the spirit of contentment.
Yes, Lord. Give me the spirit.
Give me the spirit of contentment.
Yes, Lord.
Give me the spirit of contentment. Take away discontentment.
Take away discontentment.
Take away discontentment. Make me content.
Make me content.
Ligadaya Basha.
Out of my life.
Yadadadadada Basha.
Out of my life.
In Jesus.